Hello guys, my name is Shirley. Today we are going to show the DIY process about making this Boston bag. There are 4 important steps to finish this bag: measuring, threading, sewing, and ending. When we grab these 4 basic steps, we could finish the bag easily. First, we are going to practice these 4 steps by starting the front leather patch. We are going to sew 2 ears onto the front leather patch about this circle. The thread length for sewing this circle will take 3 times of the finger distance, such as 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the total thread length about sewing this circle. After measuring, we are going to thread the needle. We need 2 ends of the thread to be fitted with 2 needles. Go through the hole and then press through the thread. Draw back the thread to fix it. Okay, finish one end and then another end in the same way. Okay, after threading the needle, we're going to sew the front circle here. Before sewing, we need to distinguish the front and back side of the ear leather patch. The right one is the front side and the left one is the back side. You can see the smaller holes. So we are going to fold it about back against the back. Okay, now after going the first hole, we need to draw 2 ends of the thread evenly. And then the beneath needle go upward from the second hole, and upward needle go downward also from the second hole to finish the first crossing. Jack the thread as tightly as you can when finish each crossing. Okay, so the last steps will be made at the same way. Okay, when we finish all holes, we'll go back 2 holes to end the thread until 2 ends of the thread at the same side. Okay, we could cut off the thread now. There are 2 options about ending the thread. First option, if you have the leather glue, use few drops of the glue, apply on the thread. Remember, only on the thread, not on the leather. You could use your needle to dip few drops and apply several times. If you don't have the leather glue, I'm going to show you the second option, using your lighter. Okay, it's same steps. Before ending the thread, go back 2 holes until 2 ends of the thread at the same side. and then cut off the thread. Now use your lighter to melt the thread. Pay attention to not too close to the leather. Okay, finished. Okay, now we have practiced these 4 steps, and another side of the ear will be made at the same way. There are another back leather patch, so there are 4 ears in total, all made in the same way. I will leave you to finish these left 3 ears. Next step, we're going to sew these 2 leather patch about this circle. So put the smaller one on the back. About this circle, the thread length will take 7 times of the finger distance. This circle will be sewed at the same way that we just made. Here is the finished effect. Next step, we're going to sew the zip part. The zip part will connect to big leather front and back leather patch. We will put the zip part beneath these 2 leather patch and sew these 2 lines separately. Each of the line will take the thread length here 4.5 times. It's the same steps as we made just now, so I will leave you to finish 2 lines here. Here is the finished effect. Next step, we're going to sew the bottom line, the straight bottom line here. So the thread length for sewing this line also take 4.5 times of the finger distance. We could use the clip to fix one side to more easily sew. Okay, I will show steps until here and leave you to finish the left ones in the same way. Next step, we are going to install the bottom parts. We'll put the bottom leather patch inside the rope and then take out the screw which has the longer feet to install here. Put it beneath the leather patch and rotate through the hole. Take out the feet and screw it tight as you can. Okay, next step, we're going to sew the handle about this part. So this part will take 2.5 times of the finger distance. After threading, I'm going to show one end of the handle. Another side has finished. Here we go through the hardware first and fold until the holes against each other. We will not sew until the middle part. The left last row will go up from the middle horse here and then go down from the right first row to finish the middle part. Okay, now we are going to finish the left horse as we make as usual. Okay, next step, we are going to sew the outer circle of the side part. This part will take 9 times of the finger distance. Okay, we are going to sew the side part, opening the zipper. We're going to start from the big hole here on the top. Before that, go through the hardware. When sewing this part, remember to drag the thread as tight as you can. If you feel the previous hole is not tight enough, you could take up the thread and draw the thread back until it's hard as you expect. Okay, I will show here, and the left horse will be sewed in the same way, same as the other side, until the middle hold here. Okay, here is the finished effect. Now we're going to make the last step. Install the handle. Go through the rope and then fold against two holes facing together. Saw the screw. Okay, now we have finished the Boston bag. Hope you enjoy this DIY process.